Lemons and blueberries are like the culinary soulmates we didn't know we needed. They elevate each other, offering a delightful combination of flavors that tantalize the taste buds. The tartness of lemons perfectly complements the sweetness of blueberries, creating a harmonious balance that elevates the overall taste of any dish they are combined in. Whether used in baked goods, salads, or beverages, the dynamic duo of lemons and blueberries adds a burst of freshness and complexity to the palate. One of the key reasons why lemons and blueberries work so well together is their contrasting yet complementary flavors. Lemons bring a zesty and tangy note to the table, cutting through the natural sweetness of blueberries and adding a refreshing twist to the mix. This contrast creates a flavor profile that is both vibrant and well-rounded, engaging multiple taste receptors and creating a more memorable eating experience. Whether it's a lemon blueberry muffin, a blueberry lemonade, or a spinach salad with blueberries and lemon vinaigrette, the combination never fails to impress. So, now that I explained why they go so well together, let me give you a recipe that you can use. In this episode, I will tell you how to make wild blueberry lemon muffins. I will be running through the ingredients fairly quickly. But don't worry. You can find a link to this recipe in the show notes or visit our recipe archives at peiblue.ca. First of all, you will need 3 cups of flour along with 3/4 of a cup of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, 1½ tablespoons of baking powder, and 2 eggs, beaten. You will also require 4 tablespoons of lemon zest grated rind, 1½ cup of milk, 2/3 of a cup of butter, melted, 2 cups of fresh or frozen wild blueberries, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You will also need a second amount of butter, a 1/4 cup melted, and a second amount of sugar, also a 1/4 of a cup. First, you will need to mix the dry ingredients, then whisk the eggs, zest, milk, and melted butter. Now stir the dry ingredients into the wet mixture before stirring in the blueberries. You will need to grease the muffin tins or use paper liners. Now fill the muffin tins 2/3 full and bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius. While the muffins bake, combine the second amount of butter with the lemon juice. Pour the second amount of sugar into a bowl. When the muffins are slightly cool, dip the tops into the butter-lemon mixture and then dip into the bowl of sugar.